Good morning, class. I'm Miss Board, and today we're going to be learning some geometry terms. So, I'm going to be teaching you the fourth standard today, and the fourth standard says that we should be able to partition circles and rectangles into 2 and 4 equal parts. We should be able to describe the parts using the words halves, fourths, and quarters, and use the phrases half of, fourth of, and quarter of. We should also be able to describe the whole as 2 of or 4 of the parts, and understand for partitioning circles and rectangles into 2 and 4 equal parts that decomposing into equal parts creates smaller parts. So let's see what that looks like. We're going to have some fun on a geo board today. So as you guys can see, I have a circle set up with quote rubber bands around it so that then we can break the circle into equal parts. So let's start by splitting the circle in half. So to split the circle in half, we have to take this rubber band and put it there, and this rubber band and put it here. So now we have 2 halves of one circle. So now that we have 2 halves of one circle, we're now going to cut it into 4 equal parts. So now we have 2 equal parts, but we're going to make it into 4 now. So we're going to add another rubber band here and move this to this side. So now there are 3 parts. That's not equal yet. And then we're going to add this other rubber band here, and now we have 4 equal parts. So to tell that there are 4 equal parts, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 little posts in each of the quadrants of the rubber bands. So now we have 4 equal parts of one circle. So before we had halves, now we have fourths. So we can actually do we can actually cut the circle again one more time and do this. So then if we count it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 equal parts in one circle. I hope you guys learned something today, and we'll be back later with more geometry terms. Thanks, guys!